Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into USAA Secure Fix step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the official USAA website URL. Press the Enter key to navigate to the site. Once the page loads, locate the Log On button at the top right corner. Click on the Log On button. You will be directed to the login page. In the first field, enter your user ID. Next, move to the password field and enter your password. Double-check the information you entered for accuracy. If you have forgotten your user ID or password, click on the Forgot User ID/Password link. Follow the prompts to recover your account information. Once you've entered your user ID and password, click the Log On button below the fields. If your login is successful, you will be redirected to your account dashboard. In case of a login error, review the error message for guidance. Make sure your internet connection is stable throughout the process. If issues persist, consider clearing your browser's cache and cookies. Alternatively, try logging in using a different web browser or device. For additional assistance, contact USAA customer support. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.